unit is super important to me. I'm gonna have a door! So the hard part is over. Kalati na ba? Hindi dami ng gamit, diba? Hello guys! Welcome to our moving out / moving in vlog! Today was such a busy day. Siguro mga 40% na yung napack. Actually, si Ate Irish nga halos nagpack ng mga to because I was super busy. And tomorrow, early morning, Ate Irish gonna come help me out. It's so hard moving alone. Actually, kanina na si Senti ako na, oh my God, mag-isa ko, walang tumutulong sa akin. When literally, I can ask for help from my sister, from my friends. I guess I'm just sad that my boyfriend is not here. Or hindi ako nag-hire ng tao, so masadama ko siya. Pero hindi pa talaga nag-sink in sa akin, nalilipat na ako. Because nothing is prepared! Guys, actually, a story neto. Naghahanap na ako ng lilipatan ko January 26 pa lang. Ang iniisip ko lang, 1 month akong pwede mag-prepare to move out. But then, hindi ko nakuha yung unit until such time na last week of February na lang na-confirm itong current unit ko na sa akin siya napunta. So talagang ngarag ako kasi wala sa mindset ko na lilipat ako kasi akala ko hindi ko nakuha yung isang unit. If that makes sense. Anyway. Hello! Hi! Ay, ang ganda mo naman! Guys, it's sinking in na sa akin na ako ay mag-move out kasi nagiging clear na halos yung mga bagay dito. And I'm having a moment, arte. Pero yes, it's sinking in. You're inspecting the closet? Wala lang natira. I don't normally move out looking like this, but I just filmed a video for Nivea. If you guys are wondering, why are you moving, Janica? Your condo is so nice. It is super nice. I love it. Naka-interior design na siya nung move ako dito. Everything goes together. It's so pretty. But here's the thing. My closet, as you can see, is super tiny. And I only have a partition. This is just an executive studio type of layout. So every time I have to turn on the aircon, kailangan dalawa agad yung turn on ko para hindi mahirapan. My kuryente is super expensive. Pinakamababa kong kuryente na nakuha dito is around 5K. Natutuwa na ako nun kasi usually around the 7-6K range. During summer, umaabot pa ako ng 10K. And I was like, that is not normal at all. Pangatlo, it's really been my dream to have a 1-bedroom. Puro ako studio and it would be so nice if I could have a door. I'm gonna have a door! My bedroom na! We have a door.
Like bedroom.
I know. Ito talaga yung habol ko. Oh my God!
Pasan yung vanity mo?
Para nakatago siya. Ang kalati sa vanity, dami ng gamit, diba? So, para magpasok mo, hindi madumi. Para may natural light din. Oh my God! Good morning. We are almost done. Thanks to Ate Irish help. And the movers are gonna be here around 10:30 daw. So, hopefully, everything goes well. Ang kailangan na lang i-pack yung bedroom area. Hindi ko naman take yung mattress. It's just the beddings, the lamp, very messy pa ang nightstand. I'm also decluttering, guys. Follow my declutter page. I'm selling my Rampa shoes. But yeah, yan yung mga boxes. Ang daming gamit. So, I'm definitely decluttering talaga. So, nag-start na mag-move ng boxes, binababa na nila. And guys, OMG, I'm getting a little emotional kasi parang naka-clear out na, nawawala na yung personality. First meal sa condo. Nag-order ako sa lutong bahay kasi lately. Wait, hindi ito in-expect kong food. Akala ko pinabatisan siya. Bakit may sabaw? Sabi niya, sarsyadong Maya. This is not how we do sarsyado in Tarlac. Na-inspire na ako guys na mag-move out. Kasi technically, I still have a couple more days in the old unit. Dapat ang gagawin ko, dun muna ako matutulog until ma-fix lahat dito. And then pag move in ko, maayos na lahat. Girl, nalipat na dito yung internet ko. So, best believe, I'm gonna stay here. Sobrang tawa ako sa internet provider ko. I have Globe. And ang bilis lang nila. Kasi, experience ko sa ibang internet provider, kapag connection, dun lang sila sobrang mabilis umaksyon kapag magpapa-connect ka. But then, kapag reconnection na ganyan-ganyan, medyo matagal silang pansinin ka kasi hindi ka na bagong recruit, alam mo yon. Pero dun sa Globe, tuwa ako kasi ang bilis lang. Parang over the weekend ko chinat lang sa bot nila, robot nga lang. And then, come Monday, may tumatawag na sa akin. Then the next day, nalipat na yung internet. Sobrang bilis. Gabi na guys, I need to shower so bad. Pero I took a nap kasi I'm feeling very tired. And I just woke up and started moving things around. So, at first, itong couch na to, nandun siya. Which I'm so happy. Look at this. My desk fits perfectly in this little corner right here. Look at that. I love it. May natural light din siya. And the most important part kasi, the messiest part of my room is my vanity. Kasi ang dami nakalagay. Meron ako mga lights, may vanity mirror ako. Lot of products, a lot of visual clutter. Kahit na sobrang linis niya, marami pa rin siyang visual clutter. So I'm so happy that when you walk in, you cannot see my vanity. So yes, this is going to be my working space. And then, I am manifesting a computer, which would be perfect for this area.
Ay, paano meron pala dyan, ha? Pero Sir JP, laro na kayo pwede.
Welcome home! Hello, baby! Kulong muna kayo, ha? Hello! The cats are here! Turn on the aircon! Hi! Hi! Sabi ko, the place doesn't feel like home yet. Maybe because my babies are not here yet. Hi, London! How are you? This is home. Casper, don't be stressed out, ha? Casper is the cat na na-stress at nagkakasakit. Sana hindi siya magkasakit this time. Guys, sabi ko, hindi ko tatawagan yung ate ko this time. Because every single time I move, my sister helps me, which I'm so happy na ginagawa niya yun. Pero sabi ko this time, kaya ko. Pero tawagan natin siya kasi I need I need to call my ate! Kung sasagot siya.
Why?
Sis!
Yes.
Punta ka dito. Punta ka dito! Ayaw kong gawin. Eh kasi, magulo. Hindi ko alam paano ayusin.
Sabi ko nga kay mama kahapon, sabi ko, kausap ko si Yani, sinasabi daw niya, sabi niya, bakit kasi hindi ko pinapunta si ate? Sabi mo gano'n. Tapos sabi mo, kaya mo na. Eh, puntahan mo siya. Sabi na ni mama. Eh, sinabi niya, kaya naman na niya.
Pumunta ka na dito. Malinis na, ay, okay naman, naayos na ni Ate Irish, pero yung parang ayos na, yung magiging cohesive yung lugar, yung may flow, gano'n, yung may feng shui. Ganon. Kasi ang bilis na maayos ni Ate Irish, hindi ko naman papagawa sa'yo yung talagang mahirap gawin. Pero samahan mo na rin ako, bili tayo ng mattress, gano'n. Believe it or not, guys, ang dami ko na na-declutter dito. I'm so grateful na ang dami na ipapadala sa akin na lipstick. But truly, I only have one lips. So, this is actually one of the most cutthroat decluttering I've ever done. So, this is full of makeup, skincare, na alam kong ang dami magbe-benefit niyan. Actually, guys, kinikwento sa akin ng mama ko na every time daw nag-declutter ako ganyan, binibigay niya sa mga coworker niya. Tapos yung mga ibang coworker niya, kilala ako, ganyan, natutuwa sila sa akin. Tapos yung ibang hindi ako kilala, talagang pinopromote ako ng nanay ko. Sinasabi niya, uy, follow niyo naman siya. Ito yung TikTok niya. Which is so embarrassing na ginagawa niya. But at the same time, nakaka-touch, diba? Kasi, hello, Casper. Kasi binibenta ko ng nanay ko, talagang pinopromote niya ako. But yes, here are all of the swatches. I do this maybe once a month. I like to declutter makeup. I have so much still, but I like to declutter pa din. Kasi ang dami talaga nagbe-benefit na tao. Like, umaabot siya kung saan-saan. Oh my god, guys. This area is finally done. And I was actually able to get rid of the visual clutter. So, before sa condo, kita nyo yung skincare ko. But then now, lahat sila nakatago. So, mukha siyang mas malinis. I love it. This one is just from Shopee. I will link everything in the description. Lahat ng mga na nakikita nyo dyan. In-order ko lang sila lahat online. And I'm so happy. But here's everything we need to work on pa. Oh my gosh! Anong gusto mong gawin? Ganyan?
Sa side mo na lang.
Pero ganito pa rin setup. Hello guys! I am in my old unit. Kakagaling ko sa event and I thought I'd stop by to check if meron pa naiwan, which meron nga naiwan. I'm glad I stopped by. But I also wanted to say goodbye to the unit kasi hindi ako super sentimental when it comes to places. Hindi ako na-attach, ganun. But for some reason, there's something about this place na talagang na-attach ako in a way because this unit is super important to me and talagang it's really close to my heart. Kasi grabe guys, ito yung parang unit na ini-imagine ko before na titirahan ko. When I was younger, I was watching YouTubers or may kakilala akong mayaman, nakatira sa condo, ganyan. Tapos, I imagine myself living alone. Literally, ito yung vision ko when I was high school. And like 5 years ago, I was imagining myself living in a high-rise condo with my own bed, with a cat. Like, I always said na I imagine myself living alone in my 20s with my cat. And swerte na if meron pang boyfriend on the side, diba? You know what I mean? And everything happened here. I was living alone with my cat. Kasi yung old unit ko, guys, before I moved here, it was so small and it really got to the point na talaga, I can't wait to get out of here. Umabot sa point na wala na akong appreciation sa place. And then I moved here. Na talagang tuwang-tuwa ako na mag-move ako dito. But then this time around, it's not that I hate this unit so much kaya ako lumipat. It's just that I saw an opportunity to better my living situation. But in general, like, I still love this place so much. So I made a lot of good memories here. Me and my boyfriend had a lot of good moments here. We would rewatch Harry Potter together. We would eat really good meals. My cats also grew up in this place. And ang dami kong naka-work with na brand filming in this video. Ang dami kong memories na achievement, career-wise, relationship-wise. Like, I was genuinely super happy. So, ito talaga yung unit na nakapag-hangout kami ng mga friends ko because back in my old unit, hindi kami kasha. Or nasa dorm ako before, nang bawal na bisita. Alam mo yun, kasi I am super excited for my new place. And I just want to say na not in a nagmamayabang way, but I just want to show my gratitude really. Like, I'm super grateful. Oh my gosh. Nah, I get to live like this. Like, oh my god. You guys can say anything, any bad thing you want, but I'm so grateful that I get to live in a unit like this na sobrang ganda. I know it's not a mansion, alam mo, in the scheme of grand things, hindi siya super grand, but it's my place. Me being able to live in a space like this and still have an access to a better place, a one bedroom. Alam mo yun, ang ganda na ng condo na to, pero may igaganda pa pala. Talagang, thank you Lord. Thank you Lord. Talaga. And I hope you don't see the lifestyle change as something negative because I'm taking you along in my journey. Like, I'm showing myself, like, achieving my dreams. Unti-unti, I'm still making it. Marami pang i-improve. Like, life has a lot of things to offer and dilulo talaga ako and malaki talaga ang pangarap ko. So, if you're along with me in the journey, thank you so much. And if you're turned off by that, I understand as well. Naintindihan ko yan talaga. And yeah, I'm really, really grateful for you guys and sa lahat na nagsuporta sa akin, like, personally, mga friends ko, family ko, my boyfriend who's been with me, comforting me, especially when I get hate comments. But yeah, this whole monologue is just me being super grateful that I get to experience this life. Okay, tama na. Bye-bye!
Ito! Ay, gago. Huwag yan, 120,000. Balikan ka na lang namin 60s. Ayan.
Guys, I'm really trying so hard to love my cats right now. Only a few days here. Ang dami na nalang nabasag na gamit. So this was my frame that I bought for 1,000 plus pesos. Nasira nila. And then I also bought a lamp. Nasira din nila. Hindi ko alam sino nakakasira kasi nag-zoomy sila. Pero oh my God. We can't have nice things talaga. We can't have nice things. I guess lesson learned. Hindi na ako bibili ng mga mahal na babasagin. Pero kasi, alam mo yung gusto ko din naman mag-lamp. Gusto ko din mag-frame. I can't have frame! Kunin nyo po, magtatrabaho siya. Sir JP, si London. London yung marami ng utang eh, guys. Ito yung kailangan magtrabaho ng sobra-sobra.
Dash?
Video.
Ah, sige, okay.
My bed is here! Okay, story time. Sabi nila 2 weeks daw, pero makulit ako. Naghanap ako ng ibang store. And nakahanap ako sa Sunview Furniture. Ang bilis lang din. 1 day ko lang sila nakausap. And I'm so happy! Ay, gosh. Dana? Oh.
Sige na, ano mo nga.
Oh! Ay, ito na siya.
Nga. Ay, oo nga.
Hello guys! So I'm just having my matcha right now. And ito na ata yung pinaka-serene moment nung nagkaroon ako sa condo na to so far. Kasi the past few days, syempre daming boxes. And now everything is coming together. Parang meron ng places yung mga bagay-bagay na nilipat ko dito. And it just makes so much more sense. And ngayon na ako kinikilig. So the hard part is over na talaga ang daming boxes, nakaka-stress. The hard part is over. And now, I'm thinking about decorating, this and that. Kasi isa sa mga comment ko, when I moved here, sabi ko sa boyfriend ko, parang hindi siya homey. But it doesn't feel like home yet. It feels like I'm just staying at an Airbnb. Kasi very different from my old place. Pagka-move in ko pa lang, sabi ko, I'm home! If you watch my other moving out vlog, kita niyo talaga sobrang excited ako doon. Kasi the place was very homey. It was parang more to my taste. So now, ang plano ko guys is later, may mag-ocular for the curtain. Kaya sabi ko sayang naman if hindi ko siya isi-shear. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Maganda talaga yung gantong fabric.
Para siya, ganito siya. Meron kami nun is yung Oxford kung tawagin. Wait lang.
Kasi this is my productivity area.
Oo.
Hindi pwedeng pag masyadong cozy, maantok ako. So, yung bedroom ang talagang cozy na blackout, ganyan.
Totoo.
Ang ganda. Ito siya. Alright.
Ito is cream. Cream to eh.
Hello! Okay guys, I have 60% done na sa aking condo. Ang gagawin na lang mga lipat-lipat and more on decorations. I will give you a proper tour na lang kapag tatapos na ang lahat-lahat. But to give you an overview, ayan no, ang linis na. I love it and the lighting is so good. But yes, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just wanna thank you guys for watching. Please engage in the comments kasi ang konti pala natin sa YouTube. Kinikilig talaga ako kapag may nagko-comment sa inyo and I wanna hear your thoughts. I'm trying to be more active here sa YouTube kasi iba sa inyo naghahanap talaga, din-DM nyo ako. And expect more living alone vlogs here in our condo. Papagandahin pa natin siya. That's it for now. I'll see you on our next vlog. Bye!